Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're feasting on this amazing spread. This spread looks absolutely incredible. I can't wait to try it. Let me grab a bit of this fish. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Wow, it's so crispy. Wow, this looks amazing. Time to dig in. This shrimp is absolutely incredible, so crispy and flavorful. You have to try this, it's perfection. Digging right in. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, let's get into this vegetable curry right here. Yeah, perfect. Just mix it up with this rice. Yes, this is absolutely amazing. Seriously, you have to try this. But it is absolutely delicious. Amazing curry. I'm going for this dark meat curry. Absolutely perfect. The texture is amazing. You have to try this. Oh my god, this is amazing. Seriously, incredible taste. So good. Woo! Oh yeah, so good. Come on, get in there. That's amazing. So good. Absolutely delicious. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Wow, that is spicy. Oh my god. Woo, man, so good though. So good. Best I've ever had. I hope you enjoyed this meal review as much as I enjoyed eating it. Seriously, amazing food. Highly recommend. See you next time. Thank you all for joining me. It was delicious. I'll see you next time.